Hey Bells, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaka of SKYBELLE Beauty, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are most welcome to my channel. Today's video is first of all, I'm dressed. Okay, I am. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my makeup of late. I will call it my go-to makeup look. I finally tried the Perception palettes, and I didn't get my hands on it until months later, probably like 8 months. And I was just like, there's no point, because like everyone has seen reviews, everyone has seen like what's it called, like everybody has seen this palette. But I decided to try it. It has been in my shelf, can you imagine? It has been in my shelf because I was just like, fam, like I can't use it, I can't review it. But I was like, says who? You bought it, use it. I haven't even taken off the plastic from the mirror, like that's how new. So to start off the look, I would take my P.Louise eyeshadow base and I would just blend it out with a synthetic brush, nothing special. Take the shade Culture with this and I will just start laying that color in my crease, just slightly above the crease. Guys, one thing I noticed with this palette is pigmentation. It is really pigmented. All the shades are pigmented, and I must say that this is more pigmented than the Morphe palettes, like their shadows. The next one I will take is Revenge. This is Revenge right here. For this color, I would only place it on the outer corner of my eye, and I would blow it out on this side as well. So we are creating like a V shape. The next shade I will go into is the shade called Shade, and this is what it looks like. And what I'm using this to do is to darken the crease and give definition. I will go back into my P.Louise eyeshadow base. We are going to cut the crease, and you already know my Colourpop E6 brush. Now we're going to go back into the shade and we're just going to apply that a little bit on the outer corner. You know, it's a half cut crease. And I'm just going to take a small eyeshadow brush and pick up the shade TF, and I'm just going to put that all over our lid. We'll go back into shade once more, and what we're doing here is a slight feathering motion. I'm just trying to create like a diffused look between the brown and the gold. So literally that's the eye look. For mascara, I will take the Benefit, the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. I'll be using my Beauty FX primer. I'll be using my Maybelline foundation. For concealer, I will take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Taking my dry beauty blender, you guys already know, just going to blend that out. Contour Black Opal Stick Foundation in Carob. And to set my face, I'll take my Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Banana. And we are just going to wipe that off immediately because this powder is strong. to leave a white cast in a minute. To set our contour, I'll take the Sleek palette and I'll take this one right here. For blush, I'll take a mixture of pea pie and lantern and I'll blush my face. I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Zaron loose powder. I am in the shade LZ20. Now we're going to complete the eyes before we pop on lashes. So I will take the shade Revenge using another nail brush. This one is acrylic brush number 4. Just need to take that and run it on my lower lash line. And I'll take shade, the darker brown, and I'll just apply this on the outer corner of my eye. To highlight my face, I will take my Shayla X Colourpop highlighter. So I take this blending brush and I place the highlight first. I blend it with my Real Techniques blending brush. There's this new thing I do now where I highlight my forehead. Like, oh my god, it looks so gorgeous in pictures. Make sure you blend it well, guys, please. You don't want to look like there's sun on your head. And for an extra beam of light, you know, that glow from Mars, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and double layer this stuff. So I've been doing this thing where I line my lips with my black Opal stick foundation. I use the shade Carob and I use a small angle brush. And I just fill in my entire lip with this and go over it with a nude cream lipstick, and it's really gorgeous. I will take from my Hush Beauty NG lip palette and I'll take this nude. This is the nude that I've been rocking in almost every video. Guys, don't worry, I'll soon change it. And to give it a bit of ombre effect, I'm going to take this white shade and this is going to go just on the center of the lip. I'm going to finish up the look with my mascara on my lower lashes. So that's the completed look, guys. It's really soft, really simple, and it's really pretty. Like, it looks so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Just tell me I love your look. That's all. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.